Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to start selling on Amazon in 2025? In this video, I will show you how to set up your Amazon Seller Central account the right way. Even if you are a total beginner, let's get started. Let's first of all head over to sell.amazon.com. Now click on sign up button and you will need to active you will need an active Amazon account, so log in or create one. Click create your Amazon account, enter your first and last name here, or email address, enter a strong password and re-enter the strong password. Amazon offers two plans, individual plans, no monthly fee, but 99 cents per sale. Professional plan, $39 and 99 cents per month, best for serious sellers. Before continuing, make sure you have a valid business or individual name, a working phone number, internationally chargeable credit or debit card, bank account for receiving payments, government issued ID like passport or license, and a utility bill or bank statement. Let's start with create your Amazon account. Enter your email address. Now you will enter your business details, legal name, business type, individual or private limited, etc. And your address. This information must match your documents exactly. You will always you will also be asked to verify your phone number via OTP. Now enter your bank account details. So Amazon can deposit earnings, then provide your tax information, either personal tax ID or business registration depending on your country. For add bank account information, click go to settings and click account information. On the seller central or on the seller account information page under payment information, click deposit methods. Now click add new deposit method, select the appropriate marketplace. Use the drop down list to select your bank location country. Enter the information requested in where your bill will be paid. If you selected a country with a currency other than the marketplace you are selling in, Go to currency conversions, payment agreement, click agreement and read the agreement. Check the currency conversion payment agreement box to accept the terms of the agreement and then click submit. Update existing bank information. Go to settings, then click information, account information, then on the seller account information page under payment information, click the bank account information section. Then click replace deposit method. If you have to edit other bank account information, click manage deposit methods. Now, identity and address verification. Upload a clear photo of your passport or government ID and a recent utility bill or bank statement showing you your name and address. Amazon may also ask for a live video verification or schedule a video call. Once you submit everything, Amazon will review your account, usually within 24 to 48 hours. You will get an email once you are approved. After approval, log into Seller Central. Go to inventory, add a product, and start creating listings. You can also set up your storefront, upload your logo, and create categories. And that's how you create your Amazon Seller Central account in 2025. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.